Dean Owen, you crazy cowboy.
Yeah.
Today is the day you're finally letting me fly this damn thing.
Oh, sure.
I appreciate that. You're the nicest friend ever. I appreciate that. Thank you, Dean. Okay, he's not really gonna let me fly it. Are you?
We can try.
Okay. What's the weight limit for any pilot?
200 pounds.
Yeah.
Dressed.
Ooh, I'm out.
Yeah.
We're doing a practice flight today for an exhibition flight down the road.
Right.
So we're doing.
Next week we'll come out and show off the aircraft to the kids. Right now the kids are on spring break, so we're just going to do a practice run. So next week when we do the real one, everything goes as planned.
All right, and I'm going to practice with my octocopter because that's what yours is.
Yep.
And there's a rule in the FAA that says only an octocopter can film another octocopter. I believe that's the rules. You can find it there in subsection. Okay. What's the plan today? Just a short flight from here to there and then back.
Back. Well, actually, going to land in another spot. I can take off from just about anywhere.
Yeah.
But landing, I need a little bit more space just for safety reasons.
For those who didn't see the other video, I will link to the other video with this. A quick explanation, I guess, first of all, of this.
That's the oh shit button.
How does the oh shit button work?
When you go oh shit, you pull it and a parachute comes out.
Oh.
Yep.
Have you had an opportunity to do that?
No, I've seen it tested many times and tested well, but I don't want to test it.
Have you been in a situation where you've reached for it but didn't do it?
No, not at
No.
all.
Okay, good. Is Pito here?
Pito.
Pito, because you brought his tubes.
Oh yeah, Pito tubes. Right. So
Can we remove these?
Yeah.
Can I remove one? It says remove. Okay. Yeah. Oh, there's three. Yeah, there's three of them.
Right. And and that's redundant. It only needs one.
Right.
So it also has 3 flight controllers. It only needs one.
Okay. And more redundancy is the dual joysticks.
Right. You fly with one of them, not both.
Okay.
So if one fails, the other's a backup.
All right. And do you rev matching with the clutch and everything?
Well, there ain't much down there. Your feet are free falling.
So CPA 01. Is there a CPA 02?
No, there's not.
And you're the certified public accountant? Is that what that is?
That's it. That is.
Are you bringing this back to Minefield, my event, August 23rd and 24th?
We plan to.
Excellent.
With the paint job.
Tell me about this cool new paint job.
Well, guy I happen to know and have the pleasure and the absolute just gratitude for him, Jim DeFew.
Jim DeFew's custom painting and body shop in Benton, Kentucky is renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship and custom painting. Jim and his team specialize in transforming vehicles into one-of-a-kind works of art. The DeFews have painted everything from motorcycles, mailboxes, coffins, artificial legs, live models, kitchen appliances, guitars, and everything in between, and have even been featured in numerous national magazines. I don't know how funny this is to you, but it seems a little funny to me. He can only say "uck-oo" with his fingers. Go ahead and do that. It's not a full f you, it's just an uck-oo. Okay. Transporting the black fly over to the launch point from the charging point. So I'm gonna have to find me a spot to stand where I can get both his launch, which is on this side of the building, and his land, which is on the other side of the building. So I'm thinking up there by the road. Pre-flight jitters?
Nah.
All right, you're a tough guy.
I hide it well.
Okay, good. And you got your flaming shoes on.
Yep.
So that's important.
Yep.
Oh no, they got to calibrate the compass. Go ahead and lift it up and spin it around. That's it. My only real worry now is, since he's got to cross this road, might be a driver distracted looking at it and plow into me while I'm flying. There we go. That's it. I gotta watch him and the wires and everything. Oh, that thing just sounds awesome. can't go all the way over there. He's going too far. I don't want to lose connectivity with my drone. So here's the school over here. This is where the students will be next week when he flies, when they get back from spring break. My voltage is dipping. That's got to be an interesting sight over the road there. I'll try to get a little bit of a side look. Get that paint job in there. Oh geez, I'm gonna be over him. All right, he's gonna land over here. I got enough voltage. Okay. There we go. That's butter right there. Butter. My battery's holding up. He's gonna land. Yes. Nice. Nice. All right. Now to return to me. My battery has probably 2 minutes left in it. That's why I'm using the Cinelifter with a very light camera, so I have more flight time. Yeah.
Is that you flying that thing?
Uh-huh.
You flying that one too?
No, just the little one.
Does that thing just follow along with it?
That? No, there's a dude in there.
Oh, there is?
Yeah. So just like I anticipated, someone was driving by and they saw the thing.
Yeah.
What'd you think of that?
That was, I've never seen anything like that. That was amazing.
So you heard it.
I heard the hover. I said, what the heck was that? I just pulled in and talked to Jim and I saw it coming over the trees and like, what?
Yeah, you weren't
And
ready
I
for
thought
that.
You were flying it.
Oh, you
after
thought I was
it
flying the
landed.
big one because you
Yeah,
saw me
I thought
there.
It was a giant.
Oh no, I was flying the little
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
I think somebody's in it.
Yeah, so there's a dude in that. That's called the Black Fly. It's one of the only ones in this part of the country.
Wow.
Flown by a totally insane pilot named Dean Owen.
Yeah, well, that would take some brass.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a little holder in there for his testicles.
Yeah, I bet.
That was awesome. Was it as fun for you as it was for me?
Oh yeah,
Even more funner?
yeah, much more
Funner. Yeah. We're gonna have a hot air balloon there
Awesome.
by a guy named Raymond Klein, and we're gonna give tethered balloon rides. You think you can do an orbit in this thing? Throw it in acro and do an orbit?
Sure.
For real?
Yeah. Just
For real? For real?
well, we'll have to see what that.
We'll see. Okay, that's a better. So Dean, that's a great paint job. But I did point out to him that it does appear as though the flag is burning.
Well, that's flames are Jim's custom touch.
Yes, of course. Yeah, I'm sure. It's fine.
Yeah.